Hey everyone, welcome back again to another not so interesting YouTube video, but it does set the stage for future interesting stuff. This is an example of the bamboo hardwood flooring that I'll be installing for the upper part of the house. As you can see, as per the manufacturer's recommendations, we've unpacked it and stacked it in this open lattice to let it air out and acclimate. So once the humidity levels reach the same as the house, basically, it can be installed. So the manufacturer's recommendations say somewhere between 10 and 14 days, I think. And so we have stacked this last week, and it's going to sit there a little bit longer. And sometime in the next few days, we'll have a reading of the moisture level inside the planks. And if the moisture level is good, we can go ahead and proceed to start installing it. So I'm pretty excited about that. That means we should be able to actually see some hardwood floors down here, which will be very, very nice. So anyway, that color that you see on the floor is what will be stained to match the wraparound desk, which, as you can see, follows the window ledge all the way around to here in the office. Yep. I guess while I'm at it, I'll just go around here. You can also see all the wood trim has been stacked and numbered. This is the baseboard trim, ready to be reinstalled in each of these rooms. It was already pre-cut and ready to go down after the hardwoods, or the bamboo I should say, is installed. You can see it's all stacked up and getting ready to go. And again, the material for it here. You can see the window ledge turned out beautifully. I'm super proud of that. And then also you can see the stacked trim that's been numbered and taped, ready to go back in. Then in here, big reveal, there is the tile floor, which is looking pretty good. Still have to do the shower, that's coming along. And of course, like I said before, the ledge curving that goes in here on this knee wall, that's going to be measured for a new piece of stone today, which should be pretty good from a countertop company. So that's pretty much what's going on. Should post this video later today, and then, like I said, within a few days, maybe the end of the week, I should be able to post a video showing the actual flooring down, and maybe a little bit more work as far as tiling goes in the bathroom. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. We'll end it right here where we started.